What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add music to an Instagram post, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a post here by clicking the plus at the bottom there, and I'm going to simply go ahead and choose the image. But before we do, you want to be careful to ensure that post is selected and it's not story, reel or live. So I'm going to tap on post there, and I'm going to select an image. Right now, once you select the image, go ahead and click next on the top there, and you want to go ahead and select the music icon at the top there. Right, so once you select the music icon, guys, you can go ahead and you can search for whichever music you want, and you can also go ahead and preview music by clicking on the play button on the right hand side. But I'm going to just select a random music, so let's just go ahead and choose this Live Your Life one, right? And from here, guys, you can also go ahead and choose the duration of the music that you want. So you can tap on the 30 there, as you can see, and you can change all the way up, guys, to about 90 seconds if I'm correct. As you can see there, 90 seconds, you can choose that, you can select done, and from here you can toggle the box here to choose which section of the music that you want. And from there you can tap on play. Once you tap on play, you can preview the music. Now once you're finished, just go ahead and click the stick at the lower right hand side. You can also play around with your picture there. You can change how do you want it, if you want it to look a bit faded, if you want to, give it some color here, Paris, Los Angeles, etc. Right? Or leave it just as normal. You can also play around with the sizing if you want it as well. And you can go ahead and tweak your image to your desire. And once you're finished, go ahead and click next. And you can also go ahead and you can make additional changes. Title here, I'm going to put test here, and you can choose if you want everyone, or go ahead and make all the changes that you so desire, if you want to add it to Facebook, etc, etc, right? Once you do, go ahead and click share, and the post will be shared in a moment, as you can see. And if you look at the picture here, guys, you can see that there is a speaker over it as well, and there is a mark. So that means that it's muted for the time being. But once I press it, there you got it, that the music is now added to the post. And that's how you can easily do it, guys, to add music to an Instagram post. Really hope you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out. Thank you very much, and see you next time.